Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Jingthmu jong ki sengsan partai ban khanglat ya ka NPP wet ya ka BJP ban Thaw ya ka Sorkar kala banum or longsho namar ka kinhuan ka bayalam da ka NPP kala biang ka Jingthmu pat da ka Jingkershan nang ki arngot ki MLA ka Hill State People's Democratic Party na lor arngot ki MLA Shimen haga Jingshisha kinong yalam lambat ki MLA jong ki sengsan partai ki bakan top ya ka United Democratic Party, Trinamool Congress, Indian National Congress, Voice of the People Party, People's Democratic Front Klay kanduk lang ha kano pai sengi jong kalai tarik ulber arajar arpulai hayeng basa umenti Sorkar barem ubak lakmen rumbui banyatai komdo bantau ya ka Sorkar hari kini kinong yalam tang marsiteng bakilaya tai kim shemlala shu ban shemrai bat ka jingelang kala syukut no tang ga jing persang bantau ya ka Sorkar klem ke NPP bat ka BJP Laya thu bawat ki MLA ke Hspdp ru ki klem poi shu ka jingelang namar ki aida o balada ka UDP ka kloy ban yetrai lang bat ka TMC kabam dei ka seng na Meghalaya amdan jingpher ki MLA ke Hspdp ru lada ki yetrai lang bat ka NPP ka badei ka seng na Meghalaya
are here in 28 if I'm not mistaken.
You are hopeful to form an alternative
You know, as leader we are always hopeful on any issue.
But then can the parties altogether also invite the BJP to be part of this alliance?
You see, first there is some feeling that we would like to have a non-BJP and then the NPP government. But our first and foremost is to see that NPP is not the only government.
But then how do you come batang kipara sebelum come to NPP BJP dan Sorkar kalau suskan.
The message is sound unclear, but need to explore the possibility of kelak pengen ra ke Sorkar ke pemerintahan ke NPP.
Kan defection bela I report yang piru to report. How we will ensure bakini ke American indak.
I think it's sad that we need to have a law, an anti-defection law to prevent members from jumping ship from one ship to another ship. But still, the law fails, to be upheld. So what we feel is that we need to find a person, a candidate or a leader who is committed to the cause, the ideology, the philosophy of the party. That's all I can say.
We just had a talk how to stay united, that's all.
So when you will claim to form government?
We haven't talked about claiming the government yet.
You're not able to go to claim government?
No. Otherwise we would have gone now itself, you would have seen. So since we are not going, we haven't claimed the government yet. Entering last, I don't know what they had the meeting with. They said that we will stay united, that's all. So I went there and asked them that we want to stay united. I think one of our CLP members, they might have spoken about, what we had meeting about inside.
The outcome of the meeting is, we're still discussing. We're yet to come to a conclusion because this is the first meeting we've had. So maybe we'll have more meetings later on. Formula is a simple formula. All the parties have come together to work together and ensure that we have a government that serves the people, a government that is, responsible with it. Being the single largest party, that is the responsibility of the governor to invite. But then I think just inviting is not the end of the process. They have to prove their majority. So let's see.
The numbers.
The name of this alliance
We will let you know very soon.
But you have the numbers for now, sir.
Yes, we have.
No, we were told that Hspdp MLAs are not here. How far that is true?
No.
So do you have the numbers with you?
Yes, we have the numbers.
So when will you stake claim?
Before the expiry of this term of this house.
Hspdp MLAs are also here, part of this alliance of.
Yes, they are very much part of this alliance.